Tommy?
Hey, Jeff.
Garrett?
Burglar time, right?
Burglar time. Nice.
All right, we've already installed a structural 4x4 PT that's going to actually carry the load of the pergola, and it's fastened down to the structure below the deck, and it'll be fastened up above through the beam, so that's
good.
not going to go anywhere.
Nice. So these box beams we made in the shop,
Yeah.
and we made a recessed shaker-style panel in there.
I like that look.
So now we've got a cap with a tapered column that's going to sit right over this whole thing.
Yeah, it's tricky to get that thing down now. It's centered right over that cap. Yeah, there you go. Oh, there you go.
Nice.
All right, Garrett. Drive it down, fit it in there. Nice. Push it down.
And a little trim
Mold
underneath.
it will go up, get that all fastened. That's going to look
Good
great.
looking column.
Yeah. All right, now we got to set the beam on top, and we're going to center it on the post.
All right. Go to you.
Yep.
Right there.
Looks good to you.
Okay.
So all of this flashing detail on the top of the column will get covered by a trim detail.
All right, Deshaun, I'll take the cut end. We'll flip it over though. Yep. Okay, you screw your end and then we'll set it to the line. Okay, screw it.
Now we're ready for the lattice that's going to sit on the top. And these are actually 2x2 made of PVC. And on each end there's a little cove on it to give it a little detail. Oh yeah.
Wow, look at that.
That's a nice look.
Actually, it adds a little shade.
It will add shade, absolutely.
Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button to make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.